Are you seeking the next generation of human-machine interface solutions? RH Technical Industries is a leading UK manufacturer, trusted across critical sectors including aerospace, military, medical, industrial control, and scientific instruments. This concise presentation will update you on our advanced capabilities, showing how we integrate seamlessly into any complex project. For years, RH has supplied reliable parts for your systems. Today, we are positioned as a leading UK manufacturer of interface and graphic solutions. Our focus has shifted from simply supplying a part to solving complex human-machine interface challenges, from initial concept through to final delivery. This is about providing full customization and engineering functionality that meets the demands of your cutting-edge projects. Our advanced capability is powered by comprehensive in-house manufacturing here in the UK. This complete control guarantees maximum speed, precise tolerance, and rigorous quality control at every stage. We are addressing the market trend toward highly sophisticated and durable interfaces. Our expansive range delivers HMI solutions built specifically for demanding performance. For visual clarity and extreme environment use, our graphic solutions are industry-leading. We build components that not only look smart, but are engineered to survive extreme heat, corrosion, and high-impact stress. Our top strength has always been our engineering department. We collaborate with your design teams from the outset to mitigate every potential manufacturing error. This partnership ensures you receive the perfect product, more aesthetic, high functionality, and packed with the features your customers both need and love. To begin your next project smoothly, contact us early for a full design review. We are always available to assist with your queries, or please feel free to arrange a company visit. From a graphic overlay to a full turnkey solution, we're here to support you.